Hi guys, Kristina here and I'm back with another video. So for today, I am gonna do I would say a review of this hair product. So this one is from Etude House. This is their Hot Style Hair Coloring Bubble. And I got the shade 7N Natural Brown. So that's the color. So as you can see, my hair is naturally, I think this is like black. There's no hint of brown. I did my hair, I colored my hair like way back before, but I cut it short. So you won't like, I think there's a bit left here, but overall, as you can see, my hair is like all black already. I would say, yeah, it is black. And so this color, it is gonna make my hair a bit naturally brown. So as you can see, so this, I would say my hair is this color right here, and it would turn my hair looking like this. So we'll see. Anyway, we'll test this. So it's just the same as Lee's, I would say. So far I've tried two other bubble hair coloring product before. So one is Lee's and then the other one is the Face Shop. So Lee's, I really like that one. And then the Face Shop, for some reason, it dried my hair. So I didn't want to use that again. And then I saw this earlier from the Korean store. I bought this from Coco House in Galler Street near Randall Mall. And they have this from Etude House, so I thought I should try it. And I'm actually itching to change my hair color for a while now. So yeah, so I'm finally ready. Yeah, I am ready. So this one, it's still the same. So what you're supposed to do is mix the three products. So on the back of the box or the packaging, you'd see there are 4 products in this box. So you're supposed to mix the 3, and then the last, like a sachet, supposed to be for conditioning. So this one, it says Hot Style Bubble Hair Conditioning 02, Etude House, 60 grams. So there, this is number 2. This is the oxidizer. And then this is the number 1, which is the colorant, it says. And then the third one is... Number 3 is not even sure. Oh, this is conditioning. There you go. So you're supposed to, so everything is in. So I'm gonna close this. Make sure everything is like well mixed. Because I remember doing this when I was using the Lee's one. So just make sure that it is well mixed. Alright guys, so it came with this plastic, which you're supposed to like wear it like this so it won't drip on your clothing. So that is really nice. And then of course the rubber gloves. Let's do this. And then the pump has this thing so that it won't pump basically. So I just remove that. Then now we're ready. I'm gonna do it. Alright guys, that's it. I'm done applying it, and I still have quite a bit of product, but then because my hair is so thin, plus I have short hair, so can't use the whole thing. It says on the box you're supposed to just adjust it depending on your hair length or how much hair you have. Right, so I'm gonna leave this for 20 to 30 minutes and then I'll come back, then wash my hair so we can review how it looks. But just quickly, for some reason the color looks purple. I'm not sure, it may change later probably. We'll see. Yeah, later guys. Alright guys, so it's been 30 minutes now and this is how it looks. I don't see the color actually, but I'm gonna go ahead and wash this and then I'll be right back. So I think I need to use this when I wash it. So yeah, later. Alright guys, I'm back and this is the result. So it does look like natural brown. Definitely way darker than this color, but I think it does match this one. Yeah, I guess my hair looks a bit darker. I'm not sure if it's showing in the video, but definitely in real life it does look dark brown. So yeah, this is it, you guys. So yeah, overall I like this, and it doesn't drip at all because it says here there's no drip and all that, so it didn't. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye guys.